Now let's take things one step further and explore the different methods we can use on lists. We cover the concept of methods and functions in a later video, but for now we can just simply appreciate that there are operations we can perform with lists. Now lists are known as mutable objects, which means that their elements can be changed. Now this is different to strings, like we've already observed, because strings are immutable objects, i.e. their structure cannot be changed. Lists are mutable, so their structure can be changed. So what can we do with lists and how can we change them? Well, let's find out by covering numerous methods that can be called upon, such as adding to lists, removing items from lists, sorting lists, and so on. As we start exploring lists further in the coming exercises, we will encounter the concept of a method, but at a high level, for any specific data type such as strings, booleans, and lists, there is built-in functionality that we can use to create, manipulate, and even delete our data. This built-in functionality is also called a method. For lists, methods will follow a common syntax. We will see the list object name first, and then this will be followed by a dot. This is called dot notation and allows us to access the methods for the respective object. If we press the tab key after the dot, we are able to see a list of attributes and methods that we can call upon. Now once we've chosen the method we want to run, we will need to put a set of parentheses, and for some methods we will need to supply the method with some input. This input, which is also known as passing an argument to a parameter, is essentially us configuring the settings of the respective method, but I'll explain this when we get to an example. First up, we'll see how we can sort lists.